How to check if someone blocked you on Instagram. So to do that, all you have to do now, after you open your phone, go and open your Instagram app like this. So here is now my Instagram app. I will now wait it to finish loading. After you open your Instagram app, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile, as you can see now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, now tap on this, as you can see now in this section. Now as you can see now in this settings here, it says settings and privacy. So under this settings and privacy, now officially Instagram doesn't give you a button or an option to see who block you on Instagram, but I will show you some tips and tricks for you to know who block you on Instagram. So to do that, all you have to do now, tap on this home option. After you tap on this home option, as you can see now, if you are just thinking or if you are just guessing someone block you on Instagram, tap on this search bar and search for the person name. So let's say after you tap on the search bar, tap on this search again and search for the person that you are just thinking he blocked you. Let's say I'm guessing like this person blocked me on Instagram. After you search for the person name, as you can see now, if the person block you, if you search for the person name, you can never just see his name. As you can see now, even if you search his name, you can't see his name because you can't just see everything about you because he blocked you. But you can just go ahead and collect someone's phone and just type in the person name on on that profile or on that facing phone. So if you open his name on on that person name first facing Instagram, you can be able to see his profile like this. If you see his profile like this, means that the person blocked you, since now you can't be able to search his profile on your Instagram account. That's the best method to check who or to see or to find who block you on Instagram. So the last step that I'll show you is, as you can see now, if you close your Instagram, you can go to your Play Store or App Store and download this app called Follow Meter. This one, as you can see here, is it Follow Meter. Here is the app. After you download this app, as you can see now, this app will ask you for the first time to type in your login information. After you type in your login information, so it will give you more information about your Instagram. As you can see, if you just scroll to down here, it will say, as you can see now, you can see you can see your new followers, you can see who unfollow you, you can see, as you can see now, who not following you back. As you can see all those information in this app. But the risk is that you must just give them your login information, and giving your login information to a third party application might be risky for you, and it is not advisable to do that. So if you scroll to down, as you can see this option which says block you. So if you tap on this block you option, it will give you option for you to see who block you, but you must give your login information to this app, and it is not advisable to do that. So that's it, guys. You can go ahead and follow one of these two methods to check or to know if someone block you on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.